Balsamic vinegar, a condiment with a deep history originating in the Emilia-Romagna region of modern Italy, traces its roots back to the year 1046 when Holy Roman Emperor Henry III received a silver bottle containing this revered liquid during his coronation journey. It was referred to as a very perfect vinegar. You see, Italians in the Middle Ages viewed balsamic vinegar as a prized possession and was only produced for private family use. It was used as a disinfectant and a medical balm, perceived to cure all ailments. If royalty had access to balsamic vinegar, it was a sign of protection and strength because it was used to heal soldiers in battle. Crafting traditional balsamic vinegar is an art form built on precision and patience. It begins with the essence of sweet white grapes, Lambrusco or Trebbiano varieties, whose entirety, from juice to skin, seeds, and stems, forms the luscious grape must. This elixir undergoes a miraculous transformation, simmering over a direct flame until concentrated, followed by a natural fermentation spanning 3 weeks. The process unfolds further as the liquid matures and concentrates for a minimum of 12 years in a sacred arrangement of progressively smaller aging barrels, each crafted from diverse woods. The annual ballet of bottling and replenishing ensures a continuum of flavors, guarded by a panel of expert judges who, eschewing numerical labels, grade the vinegar with distinctions like affinato, meaning refined, vecchio, which means old, and extra vecchio, based on its nuanced taste. It's a true testament to the craftsmanship and tradition encapsulated in every bottle. Distinguished by its complex sweetness, traditional balsamic vinegar unveils notes of fig, molasses, cherry, and chocolate, reflecting the wood it matured in. Unlike mass-produced imitations, traditional balsamic, labeled Aceto Balsamico with a D.O.P stamp, boasts an honored designation of authenticity. In English, D.O.P stands for Protected Designation of Origin, which is often labeled on cheeses, wine, prosciutto, and other products crafted using traditional methods. Contrasting with its traditional counterpart, Condimento Balsamico represents a broader category of balsamic vinegars made using traditional methods, but lacking the stringent supervision required for the traditional label. While often of high quality, these condiments offer a more economical alternative, making them suitable for various culinary applications. Balsamic vinegar of modern IGP, bearing the protected designation introduced by the European Union in 2009, caters to the rising demand for balsamic vinegar. With production in Modena and variable grape sources, this vinegar undergoes a quicker process, resulting in a more affordable option suitable for salads, marinades, and cooking. On the lowest end of the spectrum lies imitation balsamic, often devoid of authentic grape must and comprised of vinegar, sweeteners, and coloring. These imitations, masquerading as true balsamic, are to be approached with caution if you are expecting the robustness and richness of traditional balsamic. Keep an eye out for the IGP stamp if you're looking for quality. If you've dropped some serious coin for the traditional balsamic vinegar sporting the D.O.P stamp, don't just willy-nilly mix this into a salad or use it to deglaze a pan. Heating up this well-crafted condiment will destroy the flavors that are meant to be savored. Try adding a drizzle of this on ice cream, over grilled pork or chicken, or have it as a digestive, like the ancients enjoyed it. Well, there you have it, a deep dive into an age-old world of the condiment balsamic vinegar. Thanks for watching. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.